Hello, good day engineers. Whether you're an engineer or a learner, you're welcome on board. This is the Poco C31 series, and what I'm going to be teaching on this video is how to factory reset if you forget your password. Now if you try different password, it doesn't unlock. So I'm going to show you how you can factory reset this phone and then you can use your device again. So first thing, you power off the phone, press the power button and hold, and then you power it off completely like this. Now after you power it off, by the side you can see you have the volume up button. This is the volume up button, and then this is the power on button. This is the power button. So you press the both of them together like this, press the both of them simultaneously like this, and then you wait until you see the logo. Now after you see the logo, you can release the power button, but continue to hold the volume up button. So you still hold the both of them until you see the logo. Continue holding it, continue holding it, continue until you see the logo. Now you can release the power button, but continue holding the volume up button until you see the recovery menu, and then you leave it and you can release it. Now use the volume down button to select, wipe data, and power button to enter. Scroll down, wipe all data, and then power button to enter. Now confirm, scroll down to confirm, and then power button to select. Now you leave it for it to reach until 100%, and then you see on the screen data wiped successfully. Now you can reboot your phone and then you use it again. So reboot it now, reboot your phone, and then it is good to go again. So don't forget to like this video, comment whatever you don't understand, and then I'll see you in my next video.